Welcome to the tutorial room. Select a topic you would like to. Chapter 8, Introduction. Section 8.6, Dividing Algebraic Expressions. In this section, you'll learn how to divide algebraic expressions by expressing the division as a fraction, then using the properties of fractions and exponents to simplify the fractions. As we learned in Chapter 2, fractions are one way to express the operation of division. To divide algebraic expressions, we write the division as a fraction, then use the rules for simplifying fractions and exponents to carry out the division. Example 8.6.1. Find the quotient of 6x to the fourth y squared z divided by 3x squared yz. To find this quotient, express the division as a fraction, then write the fraction as the product of the coefficients and each of the variables. Now simplify the fraction using either approach. Approach 1. Simplify by factoring and canceling common factors in the numerator and denominator. One way to simplify this fraction is to factor the numerator and denominator, then cancel the common factors and write the product of the remaining factors. Before we learn how to divide expressions with more than one term, let's review the approach for adding fractions. To add two fractions with the same denominator, we simply add the numerator and keep the common denominator. A over c plus b over c equals a plus b over c. We can use this property in reverse to simplify fractions with several terms in the numerator. A plus b over c equals a over c plus b over c. Example 8.6.2. Find the quotient of 6x to the fourth y squared z plus 9x cubed y squared z squared divided by 3x squared yz. To find this quotient, express the division as a fraction. Then write the fraction as the sum of two fractions with a single term in the numerator over the common denominator fraction. Then simplify both fractions either by factoring or using the quotient rule of exponents. To summarize, here is the general procedure for dividing algebraic expressions. 1. Express the division as a fraction. If the dividend has more than one term, express the division as the sum of each term in the numerator over the common denominator. A plus b over c equals a over c plus b over c. 2. Simplify the fractions either by factoring and canceling common factors in the numerator and denominator, or using the quotient rule of exponents to subtract the exponents with the same base. Now try some practices. Good job, you're right. Excellent job. Excellent job.